So on the minimal theme, this is a way to customize the homepage. In here, what we have is the easy access to your header. This is where I swapped out the previous logo for the new logo. You can change the pixel length, which will change the height of this at any time. There's different menus. You can add a new menu, and that'll change this completely. And then you can see areas that you can turn on or off, along with text or linked options, and looking more at like the theme settings as far as the coding around this or changing any of those distances. Obviously the rest of this is built out. Here's a slideshow, featured collections down here based on age groups, and then in the footer you can go down here, and this is where updated the new address, also updated on the contact us page. I'll go through that in a separate video. Once I get all of those updated content for that would be great. And then you have your newsletter sign up, and where that's going, right, for this. So you can add or subtract to this to get more or less of the various social. You also have social up here, and all of these things are clickable. So all right, let me know what questions you come up with, or if you have any questions about how to make changes to any of these areas. As you can see, when you click on it, you can hide them right simply there. You can change the collection out if you want to remove the collection entirely or put in a different collection, a different order to the collection, based on whatever your top sellers are online. And then, if you can show sales, like that it's on sale versus not. There's just different things you can add to it to heighten and play around.